What then is time? But had Augustine really been able to see into the future and probe the minds of modern scholars, he would have seen that his dark imaginings were not only accurate, but substantiated by the highest theoretical physics and cosmology. The hungry beast of time, powered by ever-growing entropy, is unstoppable and relentless. It is driven not by some demon bent on destruction, but by the unassailable forces of mathematics that have gripped the cosmos from its first moments to its inevitable end. Entropy, bound up in the mathematics of particles and energy, powers the arrow of time, forcing our eyes forward into a future that is unavoidable as it is disturbing, and a past that is forever just out of reach. Some 1.5 millennia after St. Augustine found his words lacking on the subject of time, the industrial English city of Manchester was preparing to manipulate it. In the early 19th century, timekeeping clocks were calibrated against local sundials, giving rise to times that could differ by as much as 30 minutes between the west and east coasts of England. But with the advent of the Industrial Revolution and the spread of the railway network, the country suddenly needed a unified system. Now, the difference of a few minutes between London and other stations on the network could mean passengers missing their trains or even collisions on intersecting tracks. And so, it was decided that, for the first time in history, time itself would be changed. In January 1846, the residents of Manchester collectively travelled through time, jumping 13 minutes in an instant, as the town's clocks were adjusted to match the standard time set by the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London.